What if I told you there's an island shaped like a spoon? This small, uninhabited island sits quietly between the tides. Surrounded by saltwater marshes, shifting sandbars, and peaceful forest, Spoon Island is a reminder of how beautiful and untouched Atlantic Canada truly is. Oak Bay itself is part of the larger Bay of Fundy system, known worldwide for having the highest tides on Earth. And right here, nature has carved a shape that tells its own story, if you just look from the sky. As we fly over this stunning landscape, you'll notice the soft curves of the island's edges, shaped by centuries of tides, storms, and seasons. In the calm of the morning, the island reveals its true colors: rich green forests surrounded by the gentle blues of the sky and sea. The reflections on the water, the stillness in the air, and the untouched beauty give this place a feeling of purity and peace. The surrounding waters of Oak Bay support seabirds, crabs, and countless forms of marine life. And from above, you can see just how harmoniously this little island fits into the vast coastal ecosystem. Places like these remind us of the quiet beauty around us, the parts we miss when we're busy. Spoon Island isn't famous, it's not on postcards, but it is real. It is beautiful, and it belongs to all of us who love nature, the ocean, and the magic of seeing the world from above. As this journey comes to an end, we leave behind Spoon Island with a new perspective, not just of the land, but of how nature quietly creates wonder in unexpected ways. Thank you for watching.